Welcome to the heart of Turkish Airlines, where innovation meets tradition. Here, we're not just about flying, we're about connecting cultures. Step 1. Our corporate office is a hub of creativity and collaboration. We're dedicated to providing the best service in the skies. Step 2. Every team member plays a vital role in our mission. From marketing to operations, we work together seamlessly. Final step. Our commitment to excellence drives us forward. Boom! Experience the difference with Turkish Airlines. Join us on this journey and discover the world with us. Your adventure starts here at the Turkish Airlines Corporate Office.